cell phone at blanks. A. All costs. B. Wants. C. Presents. D. The same time. What do you think is the best answer? Okay, very good. Can you read it, please? Very good.
So, yan palang kaganapan guys. Before tayo mag-duty, gising tayo ng 3:39 AM kasi ang pasok natin is 4:30 AM guys. Clock in na. Yan, nakalito na tayo. At syempre, mag-kape muna para maglaman ang ating tiyan. Yan. At pagkatapos mag-kape guys, ayan, ready na po tayo going sa ating workplace. Ayan. Syempre, magkala tayo guys kasi madilim pa talaga siya guys. At ito na tayo guys, dito po kami mag-work. Yan ang ating computer. At guys, tingnan nyo, marami nang nagpabook sa atin. Yan, thank you Lord, marami nang nagpabook guys. Yan, at yan na, ready na tayo. Yan. At yan guys, ang kaganapan pagdating ng hapon. Malapit na po tayong mag-clock out, no? 2 PM po ako mag-clock out. Yan, natapos na natin lahat ng ating estudyante. Halos fully booked guys. Thank you Lord. Yan, makarest na. Naghintay lang po ako sa aking time para mag-clock out. But wait guys, may humabol isa. Yan. Thank you for watching everyone. God bless.